Uh, Hi everyone again. Welcome to our webinar. Um, Thank you for coming. I'm really glad to be here today with you, and I'm planning to share with you like my experience, my ideas, and I hope it will be helpful for you or at least interesting. So let's let's start. And yeah, who am I? Uh, my name is Vladimir, and I'm a AI adoption lead and data team lead at Hyperskill. And what is Hyperskill? I'm pretty sure you already know. So let's just go further. And this is our agenda for today. We will speak about in the introduction section about like we'll try to answer the question like, is working without AI no longer viable? And we will look at some recent news, some recent benchmarks, and discuss some problems and probable solutions for these problems. Then we will have second section where I will share actually with you some secret workflow which I got recently from my colleague at Hyperscale from our VP of Growth, and I hope it will be really helpful for you at your at your job, at your work. And then I will, sorry, demonstrate my experience with this like uh, powerful AI agents like GenSpark and MetaGPT, which are acting as a team, as a AI team, which you hired and delegate some problems to solve. What we will not cover today, but we will cover in our AI Entrepreneur Bootcamp. You can see some topics here, like rapid prototyping with vibe coding, and some like pretty handy like approaches how to get first users for your MVP, and a bunch of live sessions with powerful superhero AI mentors. And I mean, it's real people, real mentors, but they're like AI superheroes. And yeah, I will share you a promo code with 30% discount in the end of this webinar if it is interesting for you. So let's start with introduction. So recently, mm, I saw a post from Misha Kaufman, who is a CEO at Fiverr, and in this post, he shared his letter to Fiverr team, and actually, he's also told that this letter applies to the whole freelance community. And in this letter, he told like AI is coming for your job, heck, it's coming for mine too. But also, I really encourage you to look at this post and read it. I leave a link to this post because it's curious and it's interesting, and I just want to share with you today top three uh, action items from his letter, which I can bet will help you at your job, at your work, and it's already helped me. So let's look at them. Like uh, what are we going to do? Mr. Kaufman shared us like one of advice, uh, you should like start searching uh, constantly for like new powerful AI tools which could be useful for you at your job, and this is like a first step during this like tip. And the second step is you should master these AI tools, which you will find like beneficial for you. Um, and this is what I am actually doing every day. I invest like from 15 to 30 minutes every day searching for new tools, trying them, and master some previous tools I have found. And but I'm like pretty lazy person actually, and to do so, I use YouTube actually. I just let all these influencers and bloggers review recent news, recent tools, and just pick these tools from their like reviews. So maybe this is a solution also for you if you're lazy or you don't want to do this, or it's hard for you because it's hard for me personally. So let YouTube like do your job and do job for you. So it's pretty handy advice. And the second tip is like watch people around you who are great in AI tools and ask them uh, to lead you to share uh, their experience with you to progress fast, to progress faster. This is can be pretty helpful because we humans we are like social creatures and we always need these social relationships to do something and even such difficult task as educate yourself every day with AI could be possible with support with people around you. Um, and the last but not least tip, which I can like get from his letter. But actually, there were like seven action items, but I just take only three of them. It's sounds like working like it's 2024 is wrong. And today I will try to show you, explain why it's wrong. And I agree with Misha Kaufman. Totally agree. So let's move forward and look about some at some uh, pretty interesting benchmarks. This is probably you have seen already. It's called Wendin benchmark. And during like in this research, the team just trying to figure out uh, how effective AI agent could operate vending machine business. And as you can see, according to this leaderboard, AI actually outperformed humans. And like this is not new. This is pretty like obvious. You can see that like AI here, AI agents here have some problems because as this like research, AI agents and human start with $500, and you can see that there is some like problems. Even uh, Claude 3.5 has these problems, but also he outperformed all other like solutions. And it's pretty interesting that Claude 3.5 actually outperforms Claude 3.7. And I don't know why it's happening, but it's happening sometimes. And I also use Windsurf for my vibe coding sessions, and I also see like some problems sometimes with this model and that previous Claude model actually better. Um, so this is pretty cool research, and I actually paste a link to this benchmark to the website, and you can find actually the research paper there, and it's pretty interesting, but there are some problems, of course, with these AI agents, and sometimes it looks like crazy. Oh, clear. On the screenshot, you can see how AI agent from some strange, like uh, some little, I don't know, issue starting to write email to FBI and just became crazy. And this all these funny hallucinations happening like every time in a context of long-term coherence, when you have some long-term goal or long-term task, AI agents and like particularly its LLM actually starts to do crazy things and hallucinate. And this is a problem. And we, of course, already know how to fix this problem, and we'll see during this year how these AI agents will become more powerful and more powerful. Recently, Sam Altman on Sequoia Capital AI Summit told that like uh, 2025 is the year when we will see like a lot more this scaffolding around AI agents. And this scaffolding, it's like special algorithms, special tools to power up these AI agents and to help them overcome this long-term coherence issue. So, and one of the solutions actually you can see here. This is one of the recent papers too. You can follow the link. We'll share a presentation with you like today or tomorrow. So it's Voyager. And you can see as an example, as this testing environment was Minecraft game. And you can see that Voyager actually outperforms and progress pretty well during these tests. You can see this chart. It's pretty good. And comparing to other solutions, it's great. And you can see this stagnation, a lot of stagnation with these solutions. And this is all about long-term coherence issue. So how actually did this team manage the issue? Well, they innovate new special like scaffolding around this AI agent, and we can like look at this as a three key components. The first one is automatic curriculum, which allows this AI agent build like recent goals and focus on them and don't like remember previous goals and just progress every time, focus on future. And the second, and I think this is the most important actually component of this solution of this scaffolding is a special skill library. And what is interesting is that this skill library consists of executable code collections. Like every skill, this is just an executable code. You can run the script and AI agent will perform this skill in the game. And what's interesting also that AI agent have an ability to concatenate or composite this compound these separate skills and perform complex sequence of actions. Um, and this AI agent have an ability to access the skill library like at any time. So, and it fixes this problem, which researchers called catastrophic forgetting. And when you know skills, you can't forget them. When you have these actual goals, you go further, you progress. But actually, the third key component within this scaffolding system was iterative prompting mechanism. So it's kind of editing itself. Uh, there were a prompt, and based on environment changes, AI agent have an ability to rewrite its prompt and act according to environment changes. So it's pretty cool, cool solution, cool research, and I encourage you to read this if you are interested in. So yeah, as Sam Altman told, and as we can see from previous example, this year I believe definitely will be the year of AI agents scaffolding, and also maybe this year will be a year of like this reinforcement learning scalability when we will see more powerful coders, like LLM coders, based on this reinforcement learning um, training. So it was the end of the first section. And if you have any questions, you can always ask them in our Q&A, uh, in a Zoom Q&A section. So don't hesitate to ask anything if you don't understand something or if something isn't clear enough for you. I will be happy to like answer and help you to understand. Okay, I can't see still any questions, so maybe we just can move forward. Okay, so the second section. Um, let's look at some examples. And oh no. The first one is I promised you to share with you a secret workflow, yeah, from my colleague. So no problem. This is it. Uh, this is pretty standard and simple on the same time, like sequence of actions. And I called it like a problem agnostic approach because it actually doesn't matter what problems do you have. You can definitely at least try to solve them even with zero knowledge in a particular field. So I also put a link to LinkedIn profile of our VP of growth. I got this like method from an interview with our VP of growth, and I generate this like image for you to let you like more easily understand the approach. So, for example, you have some problem. The first thing which you want to do if you don't have enough experience in this like field, it's perform or conduct deep research. So we have a lot of tools right now. You can use Perplexity, you can use Gemini, you can use ChatGPT. It doesn't matter what deep research you will use. What matters is you have to start with a specific prompt, and you can also and you should improve this deep research prompt with like within your chatbot. Like it could be ChatGPT or or Claude, for example. It doesn't matter what are you using. The main idea here is that you write a prompt, what you wanna do, what you wanna research, and ask LLM to remake this prompt in a high professional prompt engineering like style, and then you put this prompt and run deep research with it. So after this, when you have this deep research finished, you have some data, some knowledge, and the trick here is that you will use this knowledge, this collected knowledge, in your further like prompting and further communication with AI agent or with AI chatbot. Um, and you can like ask uh, LLM to generate uh, like prompt to solve your problem based on collected knowledge, and then you can like improve it if you wanted to, and then try to solve your problem. And it doesn't matter what it is. For example, you wanna generate some image, or you wanna write some post, or you wanna do some vibe coding session, or like vibe code an application or landing page, or even generate a video. It doesn't matter. Almost like any problem could be solved with this approach. And sometimes you will have to do several iterations, but the thing is that even if you have zero experience in some field, you can just make this happen to resolve your issue based on this approach. And it's pretty cool. So this is a real life example based on my experience. I recently actually had a problem. Like I have two kids, and sometimes it's pretty difficult to manage them, manage their issues. And also I actually sometimes need like a parent for me, just to receive some support from some like wise person and more experienced person. So I just have an idea why I can't just create this AI parent to assist myself with kids, with like my problems. And okay, we now know this approach, and we can just replicate this. So what I did, I just starting this deep research. I skipped this part with prompt generation and improvement because I already have pretty cool prompt template for to run deep researches, and you can actually find this template if you will follow this link. Let me change my sharing settings uh, to follow these links. Let's look at this. Yeah, this is it. So basically, this link will be available for you, and you can explore this chat. This is a prompt template. It's not too big, and this part, like research context, is actually what you just have to change. So I just asked like LLM how to be a good parent based on research during 2020 to 2025, and run this deep research. You can see pretty typical clarification stage. I just clarify things and receive this research results. So what I will do next, I just will download this or extract in some way how I'd like to do this. And then I will, oh, actually, this is a good idea to run like several deep researches. So you can use ChatGPT deep research, you can use Gemini deep research on the same time, and maybe Perplexity. Why not? Uh, it depends of your like it depends on your like problem and complexity of this problem, and how much much knowledge you want to accumulate for your like next steps with prompt generation. And next, what I did is I craft a custom GPT prompt, and you can see it here. I just attach a deep research file, and then I ask like, actually, this is a bad example of a prompt because I even don't use something like you're an expert prompt engineer, please write a prompt, all this stuff. But it's maybe not so crucial here because we just ask to generate prompt for custom GPT to address these two problems, like help with kids and help with and to be a parent for even for me. So we just receive this prompt. Then I just copy this prompt, paste to Gemini, and ask to um, like make a review as a uh, prompt engineer, expert prompt engineer, like suggest improvements for this prompt, and I just paste these improvements from Gemini to ChatGPT and ask ask ChatGPT to improve this prompt. And you can see we received an approved prompt. So let's make a little pause here. What we actually did, we use like several iterations to accumulate knowledge which we don't have. We don't know anything about some field. We accumulate this knowledge, we generate prompt, we regenerate prompt, and we use all this knowledge to craft something high professional and high quality result. Um, and this is like fantastic. From zero to this result, it's incredible. And then I just paste this prompt and create a custom GPT, and I called it Lighthouse Parenting Advisor. And I just add some buttons, like add some avatar, and you see you can use this to assist yourself if you're a parent, if you have problems with kids, for example, how to not to yell to on your kids. You just can like you can see that actually you also like can attach your deep research results to your custom GPT to let it not only use this for prompt generation, but also to assist you according to the recent research results. And you can see just we from zero we create this MVP product to solve problems in real world. And now the next steps are obvious. We have to test this hypothesis. We have to like um, tried for ourselves to solve problems. We can ask our family, our friends, or someone on Reddit from subreddit about parenting or other stuff, and all these things. Let's just leave it for now and keep going with our um, presentation. Let me change sharing. Okay. Oh, yeah. And as you can like saw on previous like example, we have a pretty powerful technique, prompting technique here, which called meta prompting. Prompting is OP, definitely, because these techniques actually force LLM to use other prompting techniques and combine them together to generate some high quality prompt for you. And like the better prompt, the better like solution you will receive. And unfortunately, people are bad in prompt engineering, and LLMs are better. So yeah, I hope uh, you will try this and you will find out how better your results, your outputs from LLMs will be with this technique. So it was the end of the second section. So let me check questions and answers section. What mean MVP? Minimal valuable product. Like it was just an example. Thank you. Thank you for your question, Rafal. Um, it was just an example. I have a problem, like real life problem. I need an assistance in parenting, and I just thought, why not to create AI advisor for this? And I created this with this workflow, and we received a custom GPT as MVP. So now we can use this MVP to uh, just to test our hypothesis and move forward. So on it could be anything. It could be any idea you have on your site uh, for your feature, for your product, for your tool. It doesn't matter. I just shown you my example. So I hope it will be helpful for you. So thank you for your question again. Yeah, don't hesitate. Ask anything else. Uh-huh, I see. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's go further. Um, so this is the third section of our webinar today, and I will try to like demonstrate your how you can also uh, like let's say hire an AI team and delegate it to build things for you. Um, and this is a slide with example. It's just like some of progress with previous idea. Like we have this custom GPT, but we wanna build landing page for this like product, and we will use MetaGPT AI team to handle this. And on this slide, you have this like a protocol. Uh, every step you can try and reproduce by yourself if you like wanna do this. And I like paste every link and you can use it. It should be available for you. So let's just check it out and um, dive into this with details. Um, let's start from like deep research. For example, I don't know how to like make landing pages at all. And it's actually true. I don't know how to do this. Oops. So according to previous workflow, which I described today, we have to run deep research. At first, we have to craft prompt, and actually here I did this. I almost did this. I asked ChatGPT for all like, as a pro researcher, briefly describe a research context for the topic, best practices to apply for work landing pages uh, on 2025. So I just ask to craft part of the prompt here, and I look at this, and it's pretty good. It's enough for me for my task. So I just even skip this part with improvement. But maybe it was not like ideal and I like should to do this next time. So I just copy this research context and paste into my template for deep research runs and run deep research. So another clarification stage, answers, and that's it. We received our deep research results, and we can now extract this knowledge and use it to build landing page. Of course, with AI agent, of course, with vibe coding. So you also have this Gemini version of deep research, and now we can go to MetaGPT. Yes? No? Oh, no, yeah, it's another step. I just ask my custom GPT to introduce itself to a potential client. This is also meta prompting technique because you don't want to do this product description by yourself. Instead, you can ask an AI agent to introduce itself for you. And it did it. It introduced itself. I just copy it and then I ask, um, yeah, I ask Gemini to transform this output from an AI agent into product description, like a high professional product description, like act as a product manager, expert product manager, describe this product based on this context, something like this. And then I just use this description to um, generate a technical specification for our landing page. So, as an expert UX UI designer, please craft a high quality technical specification to build a landing page for our product and paste this product description. And I use all three model for this, so it's reasoning model, so it's pretty cool, like technical specification, but it was not like good idea to do so, and you will see why because I copy this technical specification, go to MetaGPT, paste it here, and as you can see, I just paste this task. Also, I attached our deep researches artifacts from ChatGPT, from Gemini about how to like build like working landing page with all these recent techniques in 2025. And you can see, let me just make it a little bit more wider. And you can see that we have here Mike, who is team leader. He just think about our task and decide to delegate this to Alex. Alex is an engineer of this AI team. And Alex also process this data and just describe a list of actions and start to build, I suppose, yeah, this landing page and and then I my credits left and I just bought a subscription to for demonstration for you and continue this and build a landing page. So let's look at this landing page. Um, how can we do this? Planner? No. It's actually interesting because I don't even remember how to do so. Okay. For working agents? No, actually you have here like a video recording how these agents act. And oh, I see. I can't I see what is happening. I can't like uh, show the landing page because this is like a link generated to share with people. So what is happening? So, but maybe we can play this player. Yeah, we can play and we can look like watch how it was done by agents and we can like yeah see the progress and uh-huh. I just wanna show you how this landing page looked like, but maybe I should just use my own page. Chat history. Uh-huh. Yeah. And here from my account, I can see the result. And it was pretty trashy because I'm new for this tool, for this like AI team. Uh, I heard about this product like maybe 2 years ago when it was just a like small open source project on GitHub, and right now it's like number one product, like AI agent product on Product Hunt. So it's pretty cool product. We are just waiting for um, like our queue to to render our landing page, so we can look at it. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty trashy. You have to paste some images here. Some buttons uh like doesn't work. Some buttons doesn't work. I can like move through sections, but I can't scroll it. It's strange. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens. We can like ask to debug this. But what I did next, I actually, and I marked this as, oops, I marked this as failed iteration, as you see. And I tried another approach, which I will show you right now. Another approach to do the same with this MetaGPT, but a little bit simpler. Instead, this time I just paste product description and ask to craft this landing page for this product according to the description. And you can see that this time this AI team worked in a different way, a little bit. So as a previous, Mike, as a team leader, understands the problem and delegate the task, but not to Alex, as I remember, or not. Oh, no, to Alex. It's interesting. Actually, usually delegates it to Emma, product manager, but not this time. Okay, it doesn't matter because this time it was actually pretty good uh, landing page. So let me just go back to my profile and show you um, this landing page. We have to wait a little bit to render this. We actually also can deploy this. We can like inspect things and debug or ask AI agent to fix like this button or this section, all this stuff. But on this iteration where we just put our product description, you can see now it's much more like better and more like professional and without so many bugs. You can see here this button is not on its place, and also I can see pricing section, but it's okay. This is just landing without like connected some application to it. Uh, it doesn't matter because my task was to make the like my idea and visualize it as a landing page. So this is like a designer task actually. So I don't know, it's pretty good. From zero to this, why not? It's cool. So, and we can continue working on this to make these buttons work, like to show pricing, to buy my product and buy subscription, all this stuff. And let's also see like another example. This is an example with MetaGPT where I like wipe coded MCP server for my like job. It was uTrack MCP. It's a task manager, so I want to create a AI agent to operate our tasks at our company to like be some sort of project manager. So I also put a link here, and you can see this ready to use MCP server. I didn't test it on like my own still. I will do it a little bit later, But you can see here, based on the history, that this time after Mike, Emma started to do PRD, like product research and development document. And you can see it's pretty good work. Like this is where you can benefit also just looking how this AI team worked. Like, okay, team leader understands the problem, delegate, and then product manager do its research to understand what is MCP actually, which SDK exists, how we will do this. You will use this snippet, you will use this config, all of this, and all this knowledge was accumulated and then passed to Bob as an architect. Yes, if I don't, uh, yeah, yeah. When Emma finished, she just told Mike that it's over, it's finished, and then Mike delegated to Bob. Bob, as an architect, like think about this and make some decisions. And when it was done, Mike delegated it to Alex, who implemented this MCP server. So it's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Just look at this vibe coding session with this like details as a team and like this project you can just download and use it as you wish. Uh, yeah. So this is like, yeah, another my example. And the second product which I want to share with you and yeah, told you today is GenSpark, but I actually remembered that I didn't show you actually like all capabilities of MetaGPT sort of for this. As you can see, it basically has this chat and you can ask anything. You can choose model, you can add like some files, photo, or documents with knowledge. You can make dashboards, you can make like this portfolio for you, blog or presentation, and or even video. It doesn't matter. And you can see here pretty good section with like examples what others people did with this product, and it's awesome. I mean, look at this, all these applications and landing pages and dashboards. You can like just grab what you like. For example, I like this one, and you can, if I don't mistake, yeah, you can remix this. So you can click the button remix and start working with this project, uh, maybe to adjust it to your goals. So it's pretty cool idea to that you can share these solutions with other people and reuse this according to your like problems. So pretty good product. Definitely recommend to use to try at least and maybe master it if it will be nice for you. So the second um, framework, this AI super AI agent is GenSpark, and according to the slide, you can see like what you can do now with this agent. And one of the pretty impressive like things is that you can use this call for me feature. It's pretty good. I didn't try it yet, but I wanna do this. Just I'm curious about this. What I actually tried, I tried AI slides. It was really crazy, and I will try to show you. And I also tried, and I loving it, like AI sheets. It's pretty cool. It's like a deep research, but in a structural way, where you can collect any data from the internet just to your table from simple chat command. It's pretty cool. And let me just, uh, yeah, let me just show you some example. Here's a link to this chat so you can like try and look at this. Here I just, as you can like remember previously, I wipe coded MCP track, so I asked GenSpark to just collect all known utrack MCP servers to compare them, and GenSpark just builds this spreadsheet for me. So let's just go and see it. So this is it. You can see the spreadsheet. I also like uh, asked it to add new like column and add new data so you can like continue your work. Also, what is a cool feature, you can use this fact check content button to check facts which was gathered to this table. You can use visualization and or ask it to continue the search. So it's pretty cool. And you can like go to this link. I just missed stars, so I asked it to add stars, and you can see that not every link has it, and because not every row is actually a repo, but it's okay. Like it was pretty like simple prompt. Maybe I should use like more professional prompting to communicate with this agent. I still have to master this tool um, for my like tasks. So can I show you actually my previous experience with slides? Uh, I have to, okay, I will just use my profile. Me. Uh-huh. Yeah, I asked to generate the slides for this webinar, and you can see it has interesting design. I didn't actually ask about this. I just told like make slides. This is our topics. Let's go. It was pretty dumb prompt just to test how it will work, what it will do. And you can see based on this dumb prompt, it's pretty good presentation. Still, of course, you can see this cool animation, like it's crazy and it's beautiful. What I just need here, maybe add more slides, and of course you can edit it. You can select to edit and then choose some section and ask AI agent to edit it. You can look at thinking process, all this stuff. So it's pretty interesting instrument, pretty interesting AI tool. I definitely recommend you to try this out, or at least watch on YouTube some reviews how people use it. It's interesting. So I see that we have 2 minutes left. So let me just um, share with you. Oh, wait, let me answer your questions at first. Can you show us how to create Meta Copilot coding in Java language user regex, for example? I think I can, but maybe not today because we have only 1 minute left for this webinar. But thank you for like request. Yeah, we'll like the another question. Hello, can you share the link? Yeah, I can share the link, but we will share with you a presentation, so don't worry. Um, okay. So this is a slide with promo code, as I promised before, with 30% discount to our bootcamp AI entrepreneur. And on this, like during this bootcamp, if you wanna like master your skills and you wanna build like your products, your features, or your tools inside your company or as a sole entrepreneur, it doesn't matter. Uh, we have pretty good team like of experts. You can see this landing page. Like um, this is our expert with like decent experience, they are actually my superheroes. I work with these guys every day, and I'm pretty sure they will take care about you and help you with anything, any problem you have. So if you're a developer with your own ideas or you non-technical person, it doesn't matter. During this bootcamp, you will learn how to like use all these advanced tools, how to test hypotheses, how to run your own ideas, own products, and get real users. So yeah. Uh, I just will wait 1 minute more to let you read the slide and maybe use QR code. I still can answer some questions, so if you have, don't hesitate to ask. Is it for developers also, or only for non-technical? It's for everyone because this is like a profession agnostic bootcamp. Uh, it will like teach you how to use these AI tools, and you can use it to power up your like development processes, your like development workflows. Or if you don't know how to develop, you will just use vibe coding. So it doesn't matter, do you know how to code or not. Is this bootcamp like will allow you to build these products, to ship them without infrastructure, like complex infrastructure, and receive users. So thank you for your question. Weeks 4, 5, 6. It sounds like for non-technical only, isn't it? Let's check this out. Let's check this. Bum, bum, bum. 4, 5, and 6. Live coding lab. Uh, I don't know why you thinking like this. It's for non-technical because it doesn't matter how you will like do this. You can code it by yourself with Copilot or with vibe coding. It doesn't matter. So it's not necessarily only for non-technical. Um, Actually, technical people also use like this vibe coding and all this modern integration, which allows you to like deploy your solution with one button click. So I don't know. Actually, I think it's cool when technical person and know how to do this with one button instead wasting like weeks uh, and resources to deploy something right now. Like, um, but thank you for your question. I think it could be like really helpful for you too if you're a coder. Learning basics? Uh, I don't know. Can we call this like basics? Of course, I think every session will start with some basics, but during this like process, you can ask mentors to dive like deeply in some things. It's I believe it's always based and depends on the like cohort, the group of users, the group of students. You always have an ability to ask questions, to deep dive and recreate some deep dive. So I think that it's not the basics only. Definitely, it will help you to launch your product from scratch, from zero. Fundamentals. No, I don't think so. It's on fundamentals. I'm pretty sure it's advanced also. Thank you for your question. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to answer to ask them. Um, I see that we have 5 minutes like already, so thank you very much for coming. I hope it was interesting. I see two new questions. If I'm a developer without idea for now, can it be interesting still? I think this is an interesting question. Maybe right now you don't have like an idea, but in future you will have. And let me look, maybe during this bootcamp, you actually will have an opportunity to like brainstorm some ideas. Actually, you always you can use special tools like GummySearch or and ChatGPT use deep research to found like market where you can address with your idea. You find your passion and sell your product. So let me look at this like from idea to landing page. Okay. Defined product hypothesis. So you have defined product hypothesis. So I'm pretty sure that our mentors can help you with idea, and then you can process this idea as a hypothesis to run test of this hypothesis. So why not? Pretty interesting question. Thank you very much.